Hello, viewers. Welcome to the episode number 2 of Leadership Talk series. In this video, we will discuss about three very important aspects of leadership: A, B, C. No, I am not teaching you alphabet, and that's not my intention as well. A stands for awareness, B stands for belongingness, and C stands for commitment. See how these three mantras are going to impact the life and career of a leader. Awareness, belongingness, and commitment. These three apparently looked innocent words are regarded as the three mantras in the life and career of a professional. Awareness. Awareness means your self awareness. Merriam Webster Dictionary defines self awareness as an awareness of one's own identity and individuality. As a leader, you should clearly figure out who you are, what you do, and what are your objectives, mission, and vision, and should not concentrate on where from you are and how you look like. A globally recognized leadership training firm, Academy of Leadership Coaching and NLP, has stated that self awareness allows leaders to identify the gaps in their management skills and uncover the areas in which they are most efficient, as well as areas that need additional work. These understandings aid them in making discerning decisions and help them be more effective in motivating employees towards their positive outcomes. Internationally accredited business magazine Forbes had undertaken a study which states that self awareness impacts companies' bottom line. In a study of the stock performance of 486 publicly traded companies, Korn Ferry International found that companies with strong financial performance tend to have employees with higher levels of self awareness than poorly performing companies. Academy of Leadership Coaching and NLP has determined 7 ways a person can work to improve his or her level of self awareness. These are: keep an open mind to all possibilities, be aware of strengths and weaknesses, keen awareness of business environment, understanding of limitations and definition of appropriate boundaries, strong knowledge of hot buttons, connection to gut instincts, maintain self discipline. Belongingness. Belongingness is a sense of fitting in, of feeling like you are an important member of a group. Just like the fundamental needs of human life, sense of belongingness is also an important need. A leader can create a sense of belongingness in his workplace with encouraging employees to value what each person can bring to the table by caring for one another, advocating for everyone's voice to be heard, and investing in their colleagues' growth and development. If a sense of belongingness develops in an organization, every employee feels safe and devotes their 100% effort to materialize an endeavor. The spiritual leader Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar often says to his followers that there is so much corruption in the world because of the lack of belongingness. I repeat again, Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar often says to his followers that there is so much corruption in this world because of the lack of belongingness. Instead of developing the sense that the entire world belongs to me, a parallel sense is developing in individuals that everything is mine. I want to grab all things, and that's the root cause of corruption. Last but not the least is commitment. Commitment is the state or quality of being dedicated to a cause or activity. You cannot be an effective team leader without commitment. Commitment is a leadership quality that inspires and attracts people. It shows that the leader has convictions and that the leader believes in the cause. That's all for this episode. In the next video, we'll come up with other important aspects of leadership. Till then, stay tuned with us. Like, comment, and share if you like this video. Subscribe our channel if you like.